Namaste, everyone. I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Imagine you've recently rebranded your business. Your company used to operate under oldbrand.com, but now you've shifted everything to newbrand.com. A fresher name, new design, same great services. But here's the catch. People still remember and visit your old domain. And if they see a blank page or an outdated site, it damages your brand's image. The smart solution? You set up a domain redirection. So whenever someone types oldbrand.com, they're instantly taken to newbrand.com with zero confusion. This is exactly what Addon domain redirection does, and it's something every modern business should use to maintain a smooth online experience. And the best part, if you're hosting with YouStable, setting this up is quick and simple. Their cPanel dashboard is clean, fast, and built with tools that even non-tech users can easily navigate. So in this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to redirect an add-on domain in cPanel the right way, the professional way. Let's get started. Let's learn how to redirect an add-on domain. Scroll down to the Domains section and click Redirects. First, we have to select the type of the redirect, keeping this notification written under the ADD Redirect heading in mind. Select the add-on domain you want to redirect. Leave it blank. Enter the destination URL where you want the visitors to be redirected to. Scroll down. The second option, redirect with or without www. Redirects all the users. Now, click the Add button. That's it. Now click the Go Back button. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Notice that the selected add-on domain has now been redirected to the link. Thank you for watching.